Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, dear viewers, on my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all of you are doing great. And this video is about crochet coasters. You know, these table coasters, or we can say these drink coasters, or anything you can use for. These coasters are so pretty, and when talking about coasters, I think every woman knows what these coasters are and why do we use these coasters. Let me explain to a little level that these coasters are actually used to place our drinks on, and these are to actually protect the surface of the table or anything else that we are going to use to put our drinks on. And some people also use these coasters to cover the upper part of their drink pots, like their glasses or mugs or cups, etc. So these are very useful. It is actually inevitable to use coasters because we are going to drink every day and we have to place these coasters just to place our drinks, because we don't want to get our beautiful and precious dining tables dirty and get rough, or may these drinks, sometime the hot drinks may damage them. So these actually save the things. For example, in this picture you can see that cup with a coaster, and these all are in the fruit shape. And when we have to use the things, I think we must be stylish as well as elegant to choose the things. It is upon our choices that we add beauty and uniqueness to our lifestyles. It is that we have to use something, say for example, these are coasters, and all of us know that we have to use these coasters. And when we have to use something on a daily basis, then I think, why don't we take ideas about something stylish and unique? Because the things that are so unique and pretty as well as different, stylish from other things and from a routine way, so these are actually the things that are super attractive and make an other beauty level to your house. And it is super gorgeous that you are trying to do something different from others. So these fruit coasters are in different fruit shapes. There are so many fruit shapes in your front. For example, this one is having an apple shape, and these ones are the strawberry shapes while having beautiful colors. One is red and the other one is pink, and these both are very cute. And this one is also a strawberry shaped coaster that would look super amazing. And there is an idea that whenever you have some guests at your home, you can use these different shaped fruit coasters to present the drinks to your guest. It would look super stylish, and I am sure that they are going to admire your style and your uniqueness, because these are the things not found everywhere and these are not common things. And the most important thing is that, for example, any of your friends is just getting married soon and you are just thinking about a thing to be gifted on her or his marriage, and you are trying to go for some budgeted gift or any kind of thing. So if you have some yarn at your home or crochet material, simply you are having holidays nowadays, you can use that material and make these beautiful fruit shaped crochet coasters, a pack or a few of for example, even you can make pairs. For example, one pair with apple shape, one pair with berry shape, one grapes pair and orange pair, and so many others. And you can then pack these coasters in a different and a kind of stylish box with ribbons attached on the top, and you can present this gift. And I am sure when you do hard work to present something to a person, your near and dear one, that person will surely be loving and appreciating your hard work. So I guess you are admiring and liking these ideas because these are super stylish. And let me request all my friends, if you are here for the first time, so please subscribe to my channel and keep watching, because in future I am trying to bring some crochet patterns for all my viewers who are asking for patterns, to bring simple and easy crochet patterns that even the beginners can learn very easily. Because when we come to patterns of the things, it is normally apparently difficult for those people who are just beginners and they don't have any kind of experience of crocheting. So I would try to bring simple things, and I'm thinking that I should start making the mini items so that it completes in time and the video doesn't get so long, and also that you can get idea of the things in a very short time and you start your own, because it is upon the pattern. And then even you can go for the bigger ones, bigger items. It is not that if you have learned something mini then you cannot go for the bigger one. It's all about the technique and the pattern. If you have learned the pattern, then you can go for and shine and just admire your pieces and let the world admire your work, because hard work at the end ultimately pays off and we enjoy the things. I was also feeling like what I have to do. I'm getting bored. I just used to eat and sleep during the earlier days of this lockdown period, but later I got to know that there are so many beautiful and so many positive things in the world to do and share with others. And then I started bringing these crochet collections to all my dear friends and fans and viewers, and they just responded me in a way that I just love this, that people are so kind and so supportive. I couldn't even imagine, and I am so thankful to all of you for spending your precious time watching my videos.